nigga that pay cash for all my whips. Yeah, you the type of nigga.
Welcome back, guys. It's been a very long time. Today we're gonna go ahead and knock out a parachute for the car. So this parachute, there's a lot of changes to the car that came different. You guys can probably see right there. I'm gonna show you guys a lot of the changes. Last time you saw this car, it had the red eye blower, and now we have the Whipple. A lot of big changes that came to this car. Of course, the 15-inch conversion on the back that we did. If you guys remember in the last video, I know it was a few months ago, at the red eye that had the 15-inch conversion, we went ahead and did the exact same thing on this car. The car is now wild berry juice. The Whipple supercharger. This is a Whipple 3.0 on a red eye motor. So what we did when the last time you guys saw the car, the motor actually blew up. Here is the old motor. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that right there on the piston sleeve, you guys want to check it out. Look at this old piston that was in my motor. This was in this car when it was black. Look at it now. The spark plug kissed the piston and it ran. I have clips of the car running. It just chugged a lot of smoke. You guys remember that red eye in the last vlog / update video? I actually ended up buying that car and rebuilding it and selling it, and I got something else. I bought a little F90 M5. I'm not gonna lie, this car is very nice, and honestly this car is sick. I'm not gonna lie to you. I did, of course, put my touch on it. I did put the carbon fiber. Now this car is for sale. I did keep it for a few months. It has the orange interior, Starlight headliner. We did do downpipes and tune on it. It is not on E85 or anything like that, but I mean the car is fun, you know, and going from the red eye to this is definitely the German red eye, or German Hellcat you can say. But today we're going to go to Bradley's house. He has a twin turbo red eye, fully built 426 built trans. We're going to be installing this parachute. Honestly, the car kind of needed something in the back. Let's get a cold start going for you guys. I'm going to connect the battery, but we do have the Kirky Racing seat in there. We're going to take it all out, and we're going to run the car. We're getting some new front skinnies. I remember last time you guys saw the car, it had some Forger stars. I think we're going to go with the Luma stars now. The car is outside. But we are going to head to Bradley's. We're doing a parachute on this car. Short little vlog for you guys, just nothing serious, just to get back right into it. And probably bring you guys some M5 videos as well. This thing does look good.
Hey, bitch, I'm from Texas, where we should ride in swangers and put diamonds in our necklace. Pour drink inside my lemonade till it look like a bitch. See,
Boy, dude, that was really scary. I don't even care if it's perfect either.
It will be. It should, I mean, there's no reason why it shouldn't be.
You know what? I'm gonna do it like this now. There you go.
That's pretty legit there, Sandy.
The camera's really annoying, but parachute finally. But this thing came out and smacked me so hard last time, and it gives me PTSD just being in this general direction. Man, sketchy,
But there's no way it could be wrong.
yeah, exactly. I was scared for no reason. Town and shoot the car, like going through the town. Really?
Yeah, 'cause I mean, it'd still be cool to be able to run 8 and have subs in the trunk and AC on.
parachute's put on, it definitely looks crazy. Everything came out good. Remove before flight. We just had to drill into the bumper. The hole is not too bad. Found a bolt right here for this. Everything worked out pretty well. It's kind of a mess back here. I have to wire this straight through when I get back home, but there's a hole basically right down, obviously right here. And the setup is coming together. I did talk to Bradley about getting his twin turbo setup onto this car. I think his twin turbo setup on this car would be crazy. But we're gonna go into the nighttime now, shoot some clips at night with the parachute on in Clayton.
Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless.
Going to Clayton, gonna film some rollers of the car and stuff like that. I don't know, I'm just kind of enjoying the parachute aura, to be honest with you, but I don't know, people's reactions, way, you know, the tire already brought like a lot of reactions, but parachute aura now, going to Clayton. See you guys there. We made it to Clayton. Got the kitty cat. It looks unbelievable with the parachute on. Not really sure what to say. It's my first vlog, guys. I don't know, I just want to get something short. I'm gonna start making videos a ton more. Get stuff rolling out, a lot of racing content, a lot of vlogs, stuff like that, a lot of different stuff. Right now we're just gonna film the cars and everything. But subscribe. One, you're gonna see a lot more videos, a lot more different stuff coming your way. I know today was just really random, putting the parachute on with Bradley and his twin turbo red eye and everything like that, but a lot more longer content gonna come in. I just wanted a short video to get out there, just get something. I'm about to go film the car right now, but appreciate you guys watching.